Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Techitechnions. In this video we are going to learn about ordered list. First of all, make a new file, ordered list. Copy the previous code. Change the title to ordered list. Let the content be same. Just you need to write OL instead of UL. OL is for ordered list and UL is for unordered list. Change the type. For the time being, we do not need any kind of type. We will just change it to OL for ordered list. Click on save. By default it is 1 2 3. We can also change the type to other form. Type C. 1 is for numbered, A is for capital alphabets, capital I is for capital Roman numbers, small e is for small alphabets, and small I is for small Roman numbers. Let it be 1. Save. Let it be 1. Save it. Refresh. Copy the same code. Paste it. Change the type to capital I. Save it to small I. Next one is for alphabets. Change it to capital A. Next one is for small alphabets. Change it to small a. Save this and click on refresh. See, capital I is for capital Roman numbers, small I is for small Roman numbers, capital A is for capital alphabets, and small a is for small alphabets. Thank you for watching this video. Now all the basic elements of HTML are covered. If you want me to upload videos about other HTML elements, kindly mention it in the comment section or mail me at techitechnions@gmail.com. The next series of videos will be about CSS.